Today we talk about withdrawal. Therefore, I use a poem written by David Whyte. I wish you all a great day. Withdrawal, David Whyte. Withdrawal can be the very best way of stepping forward, and done well, a beautiful, freeing act of mercy, and as an art form, underestimated in this time of constant action and engagement. So much of what we are involved with, in even the highest cause, becomes involvement at the buzzy periphery, where the central conversation has been lost to the outer edges of what was to begin with a very simple central invitation. Withdrawal is often not what it looks like, a disappearance. No, to withdraw from entanglement can be to appear again in the world in a very real way and begin the process of renewing the primary, essential invitation again. Though life does seem determined to be a beautiful and entrancing distraction, just as we ourselves are a distraction to others, testing them as we test ourselves and our mutual sincerity, our participation in this dance of distraction also makes more real and more necessary our ability to return to essential ground, to an essential person or an essential work. We stick to the wrong thing quite often, not because it will come to fruition by further effort, but because we cannot let go of the way we have decided to tell the story, and we become further enmeshed even by trying to make sense of what entraps us, when what is needed is a simple, clean breaking away. To remove ourselves entirely and absolutely, abruptly, and at times uncompromisingly is often the real and radically courageous break for freedom. Unsticking ourselves from the mythical tar baby, seemingly set up just for us, right in the middle of our path, we start the process of losing our false enemies and even our false friends, and most especially the false sense of self we have manufactured to live with them. We make ourselves available for the simple purification of seeing ourselves and our world more elementally and therefore more clearly again. We withdraw, not to disappear, but to find another ground from which to see, a solid ground from which to step, and from which to speak again in a different way, a clear, rested, embodied voice, our life as a sudden, empathic statement, one we can recognize as our own, and from which now we have absolutely no wish to withdraw. Poem by David Whyte called Withdrawal, from Consolations, the solace, nourishment, and underlying meaning of everyday words. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel. Click the bell sign so you are notified every time a new video comes out. I am dedicated to guide you, to get you very clear on your soul's call and how to live your personal freedom. These videos on YouTube are my messages to the world. See you in the next video, and click on further videos to get more information what your soul's calling is about. Ciao! Talk to you very soon. Bye bye!